Hello and welcome back to Coventry Auto Components. Today we're doing a short video to take you through our latest project, which is restoring most of the Jaguar original parts books and workshop manuals, which we've been digitally remastering here ourselves on the premises. The project started because I found here in the archives of Coventry Auto Components that we had many valuable pieces of old Jaguar documentation. Things like this 2.5 litre Jaguar 100 SS book. As you can see from the originals, they were handwritten across in the dealerships and pieces were added in and actually sellotaped into the book. So what I decided to do was scan this, digitally remaster it, and then at the point where there are handwritten notes, I've actually blended those into the text and recreated the whole book as a brand new publication, perfectly remastered, every missing letter, every faulty word, errors corrected, pieces added in to make a perfect book. Now, looking on the internet, these books are only available as originals and seem to sell for around £430 each. So these books at £40 to £50 each, totally digitally remastered, are an absolute bargain and a piece of historical information preserved forever. As you can see here, every page has been perfectly restored, reframed. Every page has perfect print. There are no wonky pages, there are no misprints on these books. They are beautiful. They are sympathetically restored from the source material. As I say, there are extra pieces that have been slotted in. So this is the book that Jaguar didn't make. This is the improved book, and this is everything you'll ever need for each of the cars. And we have in fact started on the whole range of books going through, and at the moment we're releasing them firstly as ring binders, and then we'll be looking to put the original Chicago screws in to sell them in the formats that Jaguar did. And some of them were of course ring binders, but none of our books are going to look like this. They're going to be perfect copies. So when you get your Mark 7 parts book, it's going to look like this. Perhaps not with the writing on. But perfect information for you to use to build your car, for you to keep and you to read. So this range of remastered books perfectly complements the already established range of books that I've done, where I created the C-type catalogue, drew it, indexed it, did it with a cover, the D-type service book, a beautiful reproduction, again digitally remastered, and our book of D-type information from all over the world, from Jaguar engineers, etc. All publications that we've created or remastered, and of course our unique range of wiring books which are sold all over the world.